guys, today I'm in Kamay Kainan. It's my manager's birthday, Sir Richard Hinola. Thank you for inviting me here. And I'm here with my mom and my tita. And I'm waiting for my friend Marcy.
And the game is charade. Charade. Kunwari, yung grupo nyo, magpapahula ng pelikula. I-acting nyo ngayon kung ano yung pelikula. Kailangan mahulain yan. Ito ko na yung sabihin ko, pelikula na isa lumaki. So ngayon, i-acting nyo.
Hi guys! So, I just won 2 prizes. Ito, biglang gano'n niyo bago ako mag-video. Nagulat kami. Ang daming tao. And this one I won kasi some bring me then I won
Ay, bakit mo na siya may dalawang 500? Nakawala ka. Ay, meron yan. Sino makapagdala sa akin ha? Service. Dami bisita, Sarah.
Guys, it's my favorite.
What's that?
It's ginataan ko.
Ginataan.
Ginataan.
Kohol. Kohol.
Basta masarap. Kare-kare.
Get some rice.
Happy birthday